In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you how to change sound to your voicemail notification. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the More icon and select Settings. Click on Voicemail and click on Notifications then. Now just locate Sound, and here you've got all the options. Let me show you all of them, starting with the full notification sound. And then just pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been already changed. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.